Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily change the hotspot from 5 GHz to 2.4 GHz on your iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put likes under the video and also write your comments after watching. And let's get started, friends. First of all, I want to tell you that this hotspot change option is a very handy feature that allows you to give Wi-Fi from your iPhone to more devices. And also, this option helps you cover more space, which means you can give Wi-Fi to more devices over a longer distance, which will help you to give out Wi-Fi from your iPhone more efficiently. In order to switch the size of your hotspot, you will need to open the settings on your iPhone and then find the hotspot option. Click on it. And here you will need to find the very first option and activate it by clicking on this button. Then scroll down to the bottom. And here you'll see this option and you'll need to activate it as well. It is thanks to this bottom option that the size of your access point will change from 5 GHz to 2.4 GHz. Friends, with this quick and easy way, you can easily change the access point size from 5 GHz to 2.4 GHz on your iPhone. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes under the video, and also write your comments. Bye-bye.